I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY mudguard for your bike. Make the outlines and cut. See you guys in the part 2. I made the lines and all that. This is how it looks. So, because it has to, I'm going to cut off these sides here because I don't need these sides. These ones, I just need the middle because it's going to tuck in like that and it's going to look really nice. All right, there you go. Cut it out. See how it looks now. That looks not bad at all. I did pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go up like that. Let's zip tie it. Should be fine. All right. I don't know what to say. Well, keep on going. Now the next step really is cut the holes. No, holes is the last step. Now I gotta cover this whole thing in duct tape. So make sure that it's waterproof. All right. I'm gonna skip all this part because it's really not fun to watch. But how can I make it just magically? I don't want to do this. I want to magically just make it appear. Let me just try to go like this. But why did that not work? Kind of did work though, because look. Put the sealant over it. Bro. I don't want to put the... It's gonna take so long. Well, let's try again. One more time. See if it works. Didn't work. Oopsies. Well, gonna try again. No, probably not. I'm gonna have to send it. Alright. See you guys. Took so long, bro. The magic powers didn't work, bro. But, I mean, that was good. I'll show you guys when it's on the bike. Peace. I'm gonna show you the finishing result, like the final result. Here it is. Look, see? It looks pretty clean, right? Looks nice. It goes all up there like that. Side... Oh, remember, it's short. But like, look, side view only can see this because I was moving it because I was filming before. But now you can kind of see it still, but it's fine. It's not bad at all. And I mean, like, you can do it better. You can do better duct tape than me, better duct tape job than me, but you just got to make the inserts for that, zip ties. But if you have a bigger chain, this is going to be a problem for you. It's going to be hitting this piece here. So you guys can do, it's so difficult with my tire, but you can cut a little sliver out, probably like about here, like that, so then it doesn't hit it. But if it is hitting it, just push it down like that. See, so it's like fully adjustable too. So if you guys ever have problems, then you guys can do it. Show you all guys the materials right now. Here's the materials. Really, I just use this. I didn't use that at all, but I used this. This is waterproof, crystal clear Gorilla tape, and then just regular, ordinary Gorilla tape. I use this. You don't have to use this. You can just use a regular knife. Doesn't matter. And just pieces of cardboard. That's really it. I forgot to say something at the end of the video. But forgot to say, please like and subscribe, and please comment pizza if you like this DIY e-bike videos. Peace.